Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is about me redoing my entryway. I wish I had footage of what it actually looked like before I cleaned it out because it had become a place of storage for all the packages I've been receiving. Here we're just getting started by taking everything out of the package so it's easily accessible. So this table I picked out was extremely easy to put together. It only needed a couple of bolts to screw in and it took us like 10 minutes to put together. Now moving on, we're just trying to put up this mirror I found on Amazon. It's a little bit frustrating, so we had to play around with it in order to level it out. Now we're wiping down the mirror really quickly to get rid of any smudges. And I wanted to show you guys this beautiful floral arrangement. My husband had brought me home some flowers, which I appreciated. And I'm just putting them together now. Now for this packet, I'm just following the instructions. I guess it's supposed to help the plant stay alive, which I'm not good at. So this jar previously was a home for faux hydrangeas, and I'm just cutting it down to the same length. I'm using the faux hydrangea as measuring, so I will get it down exactly the way I want it to be. So I didn't like the way it was coming out. I cut them down a little bit more, shorter than the faux hydrangeas, and it turned out great after that. So now I'm just going to be placing a rug here. I'm not sure if I'll keep it there or not, just like that painting. You see me check a couple times because I'm just like, I do not like this. So I'm just going to be taking a couple of books and placing them right in the center, and then I'm going to place a couple of candlesticks on the side. So now I'm just going to be placing this beautiful horse on the other side, and the floral arrangements that I made I want to place right on top of the books. So you see this plain printed canvas here. I got it from Amazon and I thought it would be great to do a little DIY on it and spruce it up and make it my own. So that's what you see here. I'm just adding some Mod Podge all over it, some glitter, and some foil glitter flakes. And I did about 6 others because they came in sets of 3, and I absolutely love the way it came out, but I'm not sure if I love it in this space, if that makes any sense. So these storage ottomans, I found them at Amazon Home, and this beautiful rug I found from Sophia. I love how soft it is. I have a larger version in my living room, and I like to keep this scented candle wax melter because it makes the whole house smell so good, and right when you walk in, it's what you smell. I love this table. I found it at Nebraska Furniture Mart, and I love the detailing. It was same day pickup, so that was amazing. I absolutely love the way the space came out. I'm obsessed with horses. If you guys didn't know already, you'll see a couple of them around my house. I try not to go too crazy. I got this beautiful mirror off Amazon. So I like to keep these 2 books on my entry table because they express my home the most. Homebody by Joanna Gaines and Beautifully Organized by Nikki Boyd. I love these candlesticks. I got them at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and they're always on sale, so catch them when they are. Here I just wanted to show you guys I keep a bottle of hand sanitizer on my entryway table at all times. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!